HelloSign versus PandaDoc, two leaders in digital signatures, but which one really delivers? On the left, HelloSign, the simple, secure e-signature tool powered by Dropbox. And on the right, PandaDoc, the all-in-one document automation and e-signature powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's how we're gonna do it. We've got 7 key categories to look at: price, ease of use, features and templates, integrations, security and compliance, best for, like, who should even pick which one, and customer support. Picture a mind map popping up with those, just so you know what we're comparing all the way through. Let's kick it off with price because, come on, that always matters. HelloSign actually comes in pretty clutch here. It's got a lower entry cost for the essentials, and get this, there's a free tier for basic signatures. Of course, if you want the fancy stuff, you'll have to shell out a bit extra. Now, PandaDoc also has a free plan, and you can send unlimited signature requests, which is pretty wild. But the catch is, it's paid plans. Yeah, they creep up higher than HelloSign for those core e-signature features. So if you're budget conscious, HelloSign sneaks out ahead in this round. Moving on to ease of use, and honestly, this can be a deal breaker. With HelloSign, the interface is super clean and really intuitive. Setup happens in minutes, minimal learning curve, basically anyone can figure it out. The flip side, there aren't as many customization options as what you get with PandaDoc. So if you like to tinker, maybe that's a bummer. PandaDoc is easy enough too, especially with its drag and drop editor, but some folks have said the UI feels sorta cluttered or almost clunky at times. So for pure usability and that just works vibe, HelloSign wins again. Alright, time to geek out on features and templates. This is where things start to flip. HelloSign gives you all the essentials for e-signature workflows: reminders, notifications, legally binding signatures. You know, nothing super fancy, but it works and it's secure. The catch: templates are kinda limited, especially compared to PandaDoc. PandaDoc is, basically a powerhouse here. Tons of templates, plus you get a content library for reusable stuff. You can bulk send, integrate payments, and even track everything in real time. Granted, the best stuff's locked behind pricier plans, but overall, PandaDoc totally outshines HelloSign in this area. Oh, and here's something cool I found out while digging into this. Did you know PandaDoc users actually save thousands of hours every year, all thanks to their bulk actions and those crazy automations? Like, who wouldn't want that productivity boost? Next up, integrations, and this one's huge if you're already living inside a bunch of business apps. HelloSign plays well with Dropbox, no shocker, Slack, Google Workspace, HubSpot, SharePoint, pretty solid actually. But if you gotta have those sales-y, workflow-heavy CRM connections, it's not as deep as PandaDoc. Now PandaDoc, on the other hand, goes all out. Salesforce, HubSpot, lots of business tools, the whole workflow automation shebang. Some of it's only on their premium plan, yeah, typical, but it's less limiting. PandaDoc definitely takes this round. Security and compliance. No one's signing anything online if it isn't legit, right? Both HelloSign and PandaDoc are super solid here. You get legally binding signatures, full audit trails, and they're both compliant with all the big standards: GDPR, eSign, UETA, you name it. The only thing, if you're a big enterprise and need extra compliance, yeah, you'll be bumping up to a higher tier on both. But for general safety and trust, honestly, they're neck and neck. So, tie for security. Who should actually use these? Let's break down best for. HelloSign is kinda built for small to mid-sized businesses or any team that just wants something easy and maybe already uses Dropbox or Google. If your needs are pretty basic, it's perfect. The flip side, if you need power and more automation, it won't cover all your bases. PandaDoc is for the more ambitious crowd. Think startups, sales, HR, legal, finance, or anyone dealing with tons of documents and automations. Sometimes it's overkill for just, I need to sign this, but if you're managing big workflows, it's awesome. Call it a tie depending what you're actually looking for. And what about customer support? HelloSign gives you chat, email, and a help center. Works fine for most stuff, but you don't get 24/7 premium support. PandaDoc, though, especially on higher plans, offers 24/7 help, live chat, and real onboarding help for teams. Lower tier support is nothing fancy, but just having round-the-clock access, that's pretty sweet. So yeah, PandaDoc snags the win here. So if you're a visual person, picture a radar chart right now. We've got HelloSign edging out on price and ease, but PandaDoc is flexing on features, integrations, and support. Security, locked up as a tie. And when it comes to who's best for what, that totally depends on your vibe, your company size, and honestly, what you're trying to get done. Okay, end of the day, where do I land? If you're looking for ultra-simple, super secure e-signature stuff, maybe you're a small business or you love being plugged into Dropbox or Google, HelloSign has to be your go-to. But if you want a powerhouse with automations, deep integrations, and endless templates, PandaDoc is seriously unmatched. Fast-growing startup, sales-heavy teams, complex document flows, go PandaDoc. So HelloSign is my winner for simplicity and affordability. PandaDoc grabs the crown for features. If you found this breakdown useful, save this or share it before you make your move. Choosing your next e-signature tool in 2025 is a big deal, don't wing it.